The agent. 1. Introduction and overview. This article deals with situations where a person, the agent, acts on behalf of another person, the principal. It establishes rules for determining the place of residence for the agent when conducting business for the principal. In certain cases, the agent is treated as if they share the same place of residence as the principal. This rule applies when the agent has a close and regular commercial relationship with the principal and plays an active role in negotiating and fulfilling supplies on the principal's behalf. 2. Purpose and importance. Determining the correct place of residence is critical for ensuring proper VAT treatment of supplies, determining which country's VAT laws apply, preventing artificial shifting of residence to gain tax advantages. This provision ensures that businesses cannot avoid VAT rules by using agents located in more favorable tax jurisdictions, when in reality, the principal is located elsewhere. 3. When the agent shares the principal's place of residence. The place of residence of the principal shall be treated as the place of residence of the agent if either one of the following two conditions applies. Condition 1. Authority to negotiate and conclude agreements. The agent regularly exercises the authority to negotiate and enters into agreements on behalf of the principal. This means the agent does not merely act as a passive intermediary, but actively participates in the commercial process. Examples: a sales agent who directly negotiates prices, delivery terms, or contract conditions for the principal. An agent with a power of attorney that allows them to sign contracts on behalf of the principal. In such cases, the agent is considered to have the same place of residence as the principal, even if the agent is physically located elsewhere. Condition 2. Maintenance of stock for regular supply. The agent maintains a stock of goods belonging to the principal in order to fulfill supply agreements. This maintenance must be done on a regular and ongoing basis, rather than for occasional or one-off transactions. Examples: a distributor that keeps a warehouse full of the principal's goods and ships orders directly to customers as they are received. A consignment agent who stores and sells goods on behalf of the principal. In these cases, the agent is considered to have the same place of residence as the principal, regardless of where the agent's physical business operations are located. 4. Why this rule matters. Without this rule, businesses could appoint agents in countries with favorable VAT treatment, claim that supplies originate from the agent's country rather than the actual place where the principal is established, potentially evade VAT obligations. By aligning the agent's place of residence with the principal's in these cases, the law closes this potential loophole. 5 examples for clarity. Example 1. Negotiating agent. Principal is a company based in the UAE. Agent is located in Oman but regularly negotiates and signs contracts on behalf of the principal. In this case, the agent is considered to have a place of residence in the UAE, not Oman. Example 2. Stockholding agent. Principal is a manufacturer based in Saudi Arabia. Agent is located in the UAE and maintains a warehouse full of the principal's goods, fulfilling regular supply contracts. In this case, the agent is considered to have a place of residence in Saudi Arabia, even though they are physically in the UAE. For more details, contact us.